Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about security orchestration, automation, and response. In 2019, more than 24 billions was spent only on cybersecurity. Companies are just trying to find out different ways, different methods to quickly find out the malicious activity in their network, in their infrastructure, and remediate it quickly so that it cannot damage more to the organizations. Again, SOAR is a wonderful achievement in this line. And how does it work? What are the main component of SOAR? Today's time we'll discuss about. As we know, in companies, we are using different type of devices, different type of applications, softwares. Okay, and these devices are generating different kind of logs. Okay, and when the collection of these log indicates some kind of malicious activity, we need to know it very quickly. And if some kind of steps we need to take repetitively, and if we just create those steps in automation mode and generate some kind of rules, if we will find this situation, run these commands, take this action. So isn't it will be a wonderful solution, a important steps to minimize the incident response, to just minimize the damage of the on the resources, and to minimize the affected area of that malicious activity. Okay, and so just do it. In case of security orchestration, what exactly it is? Security orchestration will collect the information from different sources and just give the more insight about the particular activity. For example, on a system, uh, we find a file, okay, and that file look like a suspicious file, and sim generate an alert. Yes, this file is malicious or some suspicious file, but our security system not finding it as a dangerous file which is having the malicious code or cyber attack inside. Orchestration, what it will do, it will just collect the information about this file, whether either just we subscribe the sandboxing services or with the threat intel, or on the maybe you have heard about VirusTotal.com. It will just, for example, say we have done some settings. If some file we don't know what exactly it is, that's a new kind of file. Let's just submit in on VirusTotal, and VirusTotal will analyze it quickly and will tell us what exactly in the file, what content it is it safe. Okay, because over there are different antiviruses from different companies. They on this website they just run the specific file or the URL on the different antiviruses and will generate the result what exactly is the file. Understand? So orchestration will collect the information from different sources and give us more detail about that file or about that URL. After that, there comes automation. We know this is the file that's indicating some malicious activity. Now, what can be next step? We define certain rules, certain conditions. Okay, and these conditions, if you'll find it's malicious, we'll say okay, quarantine that PC or shut it down or just away from the rest of the network. There are the steps what we need to do, and or say we can say send immediately alert to the administrator, or give the severity level high, critical. Okay, now just we know if the normal human interaction will be there, and for example they will just receive the log, receive the alert, and due to any XYZ reason, maybe the manpower, uh, incident, and the analyst is just busy with some other case. They might not having time to look it. Meantime, that file can contact to the command and control. Might be that download another software, or that install the malware on the system, and it can propagate from one system to the other system, and from one network to the another network. So when human totally we depend on the human intervention, it will take time, and this is giving enough time for the hackers, which they can they can just expand their ground. They can attack from one system to the another system, okay, or exfiltrate the data. Here the automation will help in this situation. Automation will say, okay, I find some malicious file on a certain device, is what to do next. Immediately say quarantine it, shut it down. So the without the human interaction, immediately it took the step. This is really very helpful in case of incident response. Okay, another thing is response. We define playbooks. If you find this condition with this match with this condition, take that steps. Response, what will be the response? These are the automated command you need to do. Okay, if some device is just on some devices we got the 5 failure at login attempt from a single IP address within 15 minutes, we'll say what to do. Or just that particular user will get will be able to log in on some another devices. What we will do? Block that user and generate a critical attack, critical alert for that particular attack. It's indicate attack, and then here the immediately your analyst human intervention come, and they will look at whether that's a normal benign kind of activity, or it was a genuine brute force attack. So SOAR will give us wonderful opportunity to fast our response, to automate some tasks which the analyst need to do repetitively, or the our uh, security operation team need to do. In this way, the SOAR work and give us better opportunity to understand about the cyber attacks, and can minimize our response time. And there are the leaders in SIM technologies like IBM, Splunk, Securonix, Rapid7, Exabeam, Logarithm, Dell Technologies. You can just visit their website and just have a look about their SIM technologies or the SOAR technologies what they are offering in SOAR. Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members, so that they can understand what is security orchestration. It is just not normally just collecting the logs and then what to do, but we can take one step further for our just quicking the response, minimizing the threat, minimizing the damage, to our organization. See you in the next session. Namaste.